Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the presentation of HULFE, Season 1.
The first collection, Season 1, was developed under the working title Omi Baby, an umbrella term for a variety of accessories addressing the hybrid forms of babies and old ladies. The season includes a wearable beard and ear cuffs, belly belts in 3 stages, pussy purses, kidney warmers, rain hoods, nursing pillow-inspired protector pillows, a shopping trolley, and aged baby domes, playing in cuddle fields for the grown-up babies.
Rain hoods, a classic and European grandma fashion. We updated the seemingly dated piece designed to preserve the hairdo of the women who came before us. Traditionally made from transparent cheap plastic, covered in white dots, we introduced high-quality garments to the cut and turned them into fashionable bonnets for rainy and bad hair days. The belly belt is an accessory that comes in 3 sizes, correlating with the different stages of human pregnancy. Carefully crafted in classical men's and workers' garments like corduroy and blue-collar cotton, the belly belt is emulating the human shape and can be worn on top of your outfit or underneath it. In both variations, the belly belt has empowering effects on its wearer. It allows males as well as females to superficially empathize with the experience of a pregnant woman and take up more space. Cut the line of speedy borders with the under-outfit belly. Enjoy co-pregnancy with your partner. Fight against social marginalization of pregnancy, or wear it just as a sentimental accessory in face of future backbreeding. A comforter in great style, plus the possibility to scheme and scam. That is the essence of the belly belt.
The key piece of the debut collection is a wearable beard and ear cuff that was developed in collaboration with the jewelry designer Zara Roman. An elegant silver arch with screwable balls cuffed behind the ears is holding interchangeable pieces of customized garments to cover the lower part of your face, thus emulating a beard. The beard gives its wearers the opportunity to cover their faces in a fashionable way and helps them feel more protected and safe in view of mass surveillance and facial recognition technologies as much as just a bad skin day. As an homage to our eponymous martyr, HULFE believes in the power of resistance. The pussy purse is a contemporary unisex crotch bag reminiscent of traditional costumes such as the sporran or the braguette. Our purse is held by an easily adjustable harness of chains. Versatile in its placement, it matches many styles and occasions. The most practical use for the purse is obviously as club wear. Enjoy the dance floor hands-free, while simultaneously have your cash, credit card and cigarettes ready, only a crotch grab away. There's no shame in Schamtäschchen.
Kidney warmer. Invaluable but unsexy, that's the past. We hybridized the medical kidney warmer, usually from lamb's wool, to be worn underneath, with the look of the Japanese obi, to help protect your body in cold and sensitive times. Pre-winter, post-coitus. Another consoler type from our range, here to support you in fashionable ways. Shopping trolley, headless prince. Another gem out of the grandma universe, resurrecting to save the planet. Shop in style with the help of our stair-climbing, headless prince.
Chair gown. Welcome to the room. Not only humans crave for fancy looks, things like to make an impression too. In the name of object-oriented ontologies, we hear the prayers of all the ugly Fletcher chairs out there and deliver you gowns that fit them all. Classically draped, they will update your living room and make your chair happy.
Protector pillow. Nursing pillow-inspired computer pillows, here to protect and console you through the night. If your laptop is your best friend and you take it to bed with you at night, be sure to grab one of these pillows that can swallow the laptop at night, leaving you free from electrosmog, but still close to your darling.
This was HULFE Season 1. We thank you all for your attention and we wish you a pleasant evening.